Dear friends, we are studying in class 7, ninth lesson rational numbers and exercise 9.2. We have the first question, find the sum. Find the sum of 5 upon 4 plus negative 11 upon 4. Please note, here the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, the property is we add only numerators. So this is equal to 5 plus negative 11 upon 4 denominator, we keep it as it is. So this is equal to positive 5 minus 11 is equal to negative 6. That is 11 minus 5 is 6. Give the sign of bigger magnitude integer, that is negative 6 upon 4. Please note, this is reducible. If you write the answer in standard form, then both of these can be divided by 2. You will get negative 3 upon 2. So this is the answer in standard form. This is a rational number in standard form. Next is 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. Please note here, denominators are not same. So in order to make the denominator same, we multiply by LCM of each other. So here we will get 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25 upon 3 5s are 15 plus 3 3s are 9 upon 15. Now denominators are same. If denominators are same, we add numerators. So this is equal to 25 plus 9 upon 15. That is equal to 34 upon 15. Next fraction is, please note, here it is 10 and 15. So if you find the LCM is 30. This must be multiplied by 3 to get 30 and this must be multiplied by 2 to get 30. So first fraction becomes negative 9 upon 10. If it is multiplied by 3, we will get 30 plus 22 into 2 upon 15 into 2. We will get 30. So this is equal to negative 27 upon 30 plus 44 upon 30. Now please note, denominators are same. If denominators are same, we do the addition and subtraction of only numerators. So that this is equal to 44 and 27. 44 minus 27 is 7. 1 carries, written it, will get 17. So the answer is 17 upon 30. Please note, it is positive 17 upon 30 since 44 is having a positive sign. Next is negative 3 upon 11 plus 5 upon 9. Now negative 3 upon 9, if it is to be written in standard form, multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. We will get this as 3 upon 11 plus 5 upon 9. Now both are co-prime numbers, so multiply by first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction and second rational number by the denominator of the first rational number. So this is equal to 3 multiplied by 9 upon 11 multiplied by 9 plus 5 multiplied by 11 upon 9 multiplied by 11. So answer is 27 upon 99 plus 55 upon 99. Please note, denominators are same now. We can add the numerators. Answer is 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 carries, will get 82 upon 99. Next example is negative 8 upon 19 plus negative 2 upon 57. Please note, if you try to find the LCM of the denominators, we will get 57 as the denominator. 19 3s are 57. So we have to multiply only first rational number. This is equal to negative 8 into 3 upon 19 into 3 plus negative 2 upon 57. This is equal to 8 3s are 24 negative upon 57 plus negative 2 upon 57. Now note, denominators are same, so numerators can be added. We will get negative 24 plus negative 2 is negative 26 upon 57. Then second fraction, negative 2 upon 3 plus 0. Please note, 0 is additive identity. 0 is additive identity. That is, if you add 0 to any number remains same. So negative 2 upon 3 plus 0 is equal to negative 2 upon 3, since 0 is additive identity. Next fraction is 2 integer 1 upon 3 plus 4 integer 3 upon 5. This is a mixed fraction. Let us convert this into a fraction. So this is equal to 3 2s are 6. Please note 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is negative 7 upon 3 plus 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23 upon 5. Now denominators are not same. Let us make the denominators same. So for that we multiply first fraction negative 7 by 5 and denominator also by 5 plus 22 is multiplied by 3 and 5 is multiplied by 3. So this is equal to negative 35 upon 15 plus 66 upon 15. Please note denominators are same. So we can add the numerators. One is having negative sign, other is having positive sign. So we have to do the subtraction. 66 minus 35, you will get 31. So answer is 31 upon 50. Please note answer will have positive sign since 66 is a bigger magnitude integer. Dear friends, next is the subtraction. We have to find 7 upon 24 minus 7 upon 36. Please note denominators are different, but they have. This is 24 and 76. Now, if you write 24 and its product, you will get 24, then 48, then if you 48, you will get next number as 72. If you take 36, its multiple are 36 to the 72. So please note, least common multiple is 72. So to get least common multiplier, we have to multiply 24 by 3 and 36 by 2. So to get this, I am making the denominator same. So this is equal to 7 multiplied by 3 upon 24 multiplied by 3 minus 7 multiplied by 2 upon 36 multiplied by 2. So this is equal to 21 upon 72 minus 14 upon 72. So answer is 21 minus 14 is 7. Denominator we keep as it is. So denominator is 72. Next fraction is 5 upon 63 minus 6 upon 21. Please note 21 3s are 63. So if you multiply only second fraction, we will get the denominator same. So this is equal to 5 upon 63 minus negative 6 into 3 upon 21 into 3. So this is equal to 5 upon 63 minus 18 upon 63. Please note negative into negative is positive. So this is equal to 5 upon 63 plus 18 upon 63. Answer is 18 plus 5 is 23 upon 63. Next is negative 6 upon 13 minus 7 upon 15. Negative into negative is positive, or subtraction of negative rational number means addition of its additive inverse. So addition of plus 7 upon 15. So this is equal to minus 6 upon 13 plus 7 upon 15. Please note denominators are not same. We need to make the denominator same. For this we multiply negative 6 into 15 upon 13 into 15 plus 7 into 13 upon 15 into 13. So this is equal to 15 sixes are 90 and 15 multiplied by 13. 15 is a 150. 150 plus 45 is 195 and plus 13 sevens are 91. 15 into 13. 15 is a 150 plus 15 3 is a 45 is 195. Now denominators are same. Please note one is having negative sign, other is having positive sign. So answer is 1 upon 195. Next problem is negative 3 upon 8 minus 7 upon 11. This is equal to, we have to make again denominator same. So this is equal to negative 33 upon 88 minus 56 upon 88. So this is equal to, denominators are, we keep the denominator same. Negative 33, negative 56 are supposed to be added. Both are having same sign, so you will get 89 upon 98. Now next is mixed fraction. Convert this mixed fraction into fraction. So this is equal to 9 to the 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 upon 9 minus 6. Please note, there exists a hidden denominator to this integer. So to make the denominator same, we have to multiply second fraction by 9. So we will get negative 19 upon 9 minus 6 9s are 54 upon 9. Now denominators are same, we can add this. So we will get 73, negative 73 upon 9. Dear friends, while writing question itself I have made little change. You can write this as 17 upon 36. In textbook it is 17 upon 36. Accordingly answers will change. So this will be 17. Second fraction is 17. So this will also be 17. 17 2s are 34. Please note. Now 34 minus 21. 34, please note, 1 is having negative, 1 is having positive. So 34 minus 21 is 34 minus 21 is 13. 13. Please note, negative integer is 34, which is bigger magnitude, so answer will have negative sign. Negative 13 upon 72, and here also both fractions are negative, so here also sign will be negative. So answer is negative 89 upon 88. Please do these corrections.